think of your health, they think of your mouth. So they're gonna make anything taste good. So that means adding extra fat, extra sugar, extra salt to make you like it.
I grew up eating Haitian foods. Still not as an adult, that's all I want to eat.
Today we're at the Little Haiti Cultural Center for our first class of Manger Pour Vie, which is a family Haitian culinary cooking class. So this class is open for everybody, but what's important is we're highlighting dishes of the Haitian cuisine. We take cultural dishes like we're doing today. We're making epis, which is a Haitian seasoning, marinade that is commonly used. And just we take those dishes, we highlight the health benefits, we make small changes when needed, just to show you how you can take those foods you grew up with and keep them on your table.
Oh, they're gonna put everything in the food processor. I think they're gonna put everything in the food processor anyway.
We have to dice it.
My mom, I'm not gonna lie, when I showed her the recipe, which I did, you know, she gave a little funny face, which is the same recipe. We kept all the greens, we kept everything. We just kind of took out the saison and the Maggi, which is, you know, it could be high in sodium sometimes, and we just want to teach them how to keep the flavors, you know, enhance flavor enhancers like a little bit of salt, a little bit of lemon vinegar. So we separated some of the saisons and things like that and mixed them for enhancers instead of flavors. We deal with a lot of hypertension and diabetes. And dealing with that in our community, I felt like it was important. I don't want to lose the food.
Good? I thought it was supposed to be green. It's greenish. Thank you. You saw me struggling. Definitely love the food, so on to learn.
Yeah, same for me. I came to the Cultural Center one random Saturday to buy a gift for a friend, and then I stumbled on the compa class and joined the KOTR compa team, and just been learning more about Haitian culture. But my family's from Jamaica.
It feels very empowering. It feels very encouraging just to see people of different backgrounds coming in to learn the Haitian cuisine and how to make Haitian cuisine.
It was wonderful to see everybody making it, you know, especially people who have not know what it is. So seeing people learning how to make epis, it was a wonderful experience.
The program is actually 6 weeks. We got 6 different recipes. So we're gonna make everything from legume to Haitian spaghetti to, you know, our favorite Tasso Tuesday. And I think dealing with the families, with the parents and the kids is important for them to have a time where they could teach each other some things. And I think through foods and through culture, we can do that. I hope for all this is to grow it to where, you know, kids from my generation, kids a little younger than me, feel comfortable around the kitchen, feel comfortable making traditional Haitian meals, and not think they're going too far off of our culture. So I think it's a comfortability thing. We want them to be comfortable in the kitchen, comfortable cooking, comfortable around the tools, and once we can get that level, I mean, we're good.